everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn quadratic equations, chapter 4, exercise 4.1, question number 1, fifth part and sixth part. In my previous video you can see first, second, third, fourth part. Okay, so let's begin. The question is, check whether the following are quadratic equation. So we have to check whether these are the quadratic equation or not. So here we have the fifth part, that is 2x plus 1, x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 and x minus 1. Okay, so you can see this is of form x plus a and x plus b is equal to x square plus x a plus b plus ab. You can use this or else the other one. So other method which I taught you in my previous video. So here I am using the other method because it is very easy. So here begins. First we have to multiply 2x with x minus 3 and again 1 with x minus 3. Okay, I am using the same method on the other side. So again I am multiplying x with x minus 1 and plus 5 with x minus 1. So that becomes 2x into x becomes 2x square and 2x into minus 3 becomes minus 6x. Here minus 1 into x becomes minus x and here minus minus is plus, so plus 3 is equal to x into x is x square minus x into minus 1 is minus x plus 5 into x is 5x minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. So 2x square minus 6x minus x plus 3. Okay, now I am bringing these terms on the other side, so that becomes minus x square plus x minus 5x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so now we have to cancel this. So here you can see that we have 2x square and minus x square. So 2x square minus x square is x square, and here you can see we have x minus 6x minus x plus x minus 5x. So now I'll write it on the other side. So here minus 6x minus x plus x minus 5x. This one, this one, this one and this one. Okay, so now minus minus is plus, so that becomes minus 7x, and here minus 5x is the greater, so minus and minus x 5x minus x is 4x, and here we have to add this 7 plus 4 is 11, so here minus x, so we got minus 11x. So now the constant term remaining is this 5 plus 3 is 8 is equal to 0. So now you can see, now this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 11 and c is equal to 8. So we can conclude that hence the given equation is a quadratic equation. Okay, hope you have understood this sum. Here we have the sixth part, that is x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 the whole square. So now this x minus 2 the whole square is the form a minus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So now this x minus 2 the whole square is of form a minus b the whole square. Okay, So you have to keep in mind all these identities. Okay, so now let's solve this. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to, so here x minus 2 the whole square. So now we can split it as x square plus 2 square minus 2 into x into 2. Okay, so here x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 2 the whole square is equal to 2 into 2, which is 4. So that becomes 4 minus, so minus 2 into 2 is minus 4x. Okay, so x square plus 3x plus 1. So I am bringing this term on the other side, so that becomes minus x. Here on the other side that becomes minus 4 plus 4x is equal to 0. Okay, so here x and plus x and minus x will cancel, and here we have the other x value minus x plus 4x, so that becomes 7x. And here we have the constant term minus 4 and plus 1. So minus 4 plus 1 is plus minus is minus, and here 3. 4 is the greater number and it has the minus sign, so minus 3. So minus 3 is equal to 0. So C is equal to 0. Okay, so now let's compare this. So here and where a should not equal to 0. So here a is, so the given equation a is 0 and b is 7 and c is minus 3. Now you can see here the general form is this, and where a should not be equal to 0, but you can see a is equal to 0. So here we can conclude that hence given equation is not a quadratic equation. Okay, hope you understood this. So this is the last of the video of question number 1, 5th and 6th part. If you like our channel, please subscribe. Thank you.